Hello dear student, today we are going to see 1.4 Journey through the West English Workshop Class 7. Question number 1. List all the persons and characters mentioned in the story. Which of them are real? Which are imaginary? First, Yuan Shuang. This character is real. Second, Guayin Deti. This part is imaginary. Third, Sun Wukong and Monkey King. This character is imaginary. Fourth, Zubaji and Pixie. This part is imaginary. And Shao Wujing and Sand Priest. This character is also imaginary. Question number 2. Say whether the following sentences are right or wrong. The novel Journey to the West is about a journey to Western countries like England and America. This statement is wrong. Second, in the days of Yuan Shuang, traveling from China to India was not an easy task. This statement is right. Yuan Shuang travels to many parts of India. This statement is right. Next sentence, Yuan Shuang was back home was relatively easy. This statement is wrong. Next, gods and supernatural powers had helped Yuan Shuang in his quest. This statement is wrong. Next, the three disciples of Yuan Shuang were three sants. Wrong. Next, the three disciples have supernatural powers. This statement is right. Question number 3. Write any 5 features of Sun Wukong's characters that you like best. Answer. Sun Wukong first feature is can walk through fire. Second, can transfer himself in 72 different ways. Next, can travel through thousands of kilometers. Next, his eyes have X-ray vision. And next, he can grow very big and very tiny in a blink. These are the 5 different features of Sun Wukong's. Question number 4. As big as pillar, as tiny as a needle. Now, write more such phrases using your imagination. As big as a giant. Next, as tiny as a drop. Next, as hard as a stone. As soft as a butter. As soft as a honey. As sharp as a sword. Question number 5. Let us look at some example of roots, prefixes and suffixes. In unkind, prefix is un and root word is kind. In sadness, root word is sad and suffix is ness. Question number 6. Guess the meaning of unfamiliar, unbelievable. Answer. Unfamiliar means that you do not know or recognize. And second word is unbelievable, meaning is very difficult to believe. Write the opposites of the following. First, unsafe, opposite safe. Unimportant, important. Uninteresting, interesting. Unknown, opposite word is known. Unkind, kind. Unkind, opposite word is kind. Unintelligent, opposite word is intelligent. Next question. Find 5 countable nouns from the passage and write their singular and plural form. Answer. Country, countries. Traveler, travelers. Friend, friends. Messenger, messengers. Enemy, enemies. Story, stories. List the units that we use to measure the following: water, milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, deciliter, milk, milliliter, centiliter, deciliter and deciliter. Distance and weight: distance millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, meter and kilometer. Weight milligram, centigram, decigram, gram and kilogram. In this way, we have completed the complete workshop of 1.4 Journey to the West. Dear students, if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.